Hello, this is Jeremy with Reviews Matter, and in this video we're going to show you how to send a feedback request to your customers, and we're going to show you what it looks like when your customer goes through the process of leaving you feedback. So the first thing you want to do is click the Add Customer button, and we're going to go ahead and enter a customer's information. You want to enter their first name, last name, and email address. You can enter a last appointment date. That'll give you a little insight into when they last came in for a visit, and any customer notes you'd like. Once that's completed, you'll go back to your customer dashboard and you'll hit the Send Feedback Request button. Your email template's going to show up on your screen, so you can make any changes you want for this specific email, or you can just go ahead and click the Send button and send that email out to your customer. So the email's been sent, and now let's take a look at what it looks like when your customer receives it. So they'll receive an email with 5 stars asking them to rate the service level that they received. So once they rate you, depending on the number of stars they give you, they'll be sent to either the positive thank you page or the negative thank you page. The first step is they'll be asked to leave you feedback. So the user's then going to go ahead and give you feedback on their visit. They'll click Submit, and on the next page, this is an example of the positive feedback page. It's going to show them links to your online profiles. So this is going to incentivize them and encourage them to click on one of these and leave you a review on one of your public online profile pages. So in this example, they've clicked on Google+, and it takes them to the Google+ page, opens up a little review box for them, and all they have to do is enter the review and click Publish. So now let's go ahead and reload the customer dashboard so you can see what it looks like. And you can see that your rating is now there. It shows 4 stars, feedback's been received, the date it was received, and also you can see the customer's last appointment date. So now let's take a look at what it looks like when you receive negative feedback. So we'll go ahead and add a new customer. We'll send out the feedback request to that customer. It's going to look the same. And once again, they'll be asked to give you a rating from 1 to 5 stars. And in this scenario, we're going to rate the business with 1 star. So the customer will still be directed to the next page, which will request that they leave you feedback. So you can find out what was the issue with their visit. Why did they give you 1 star? So hopefully the customer will leave you feedback here, because this is really important information that will help you address their issue. But this time, once they hit Submit, they're going to be taken to the negative thank you page. On this page, they're not going to be shown any links to the online profiles. That way we're going to try to avoid them leaving any negative feedback on the web for you. So let's reload the customer dashboard. You'll see that they've given you 1 star in this scenario. So in this case, you can go into their customer record and you can send them an email, maybe apologizing for their poor visit and trying to make amends, possibly even sending them a coupon in order to incentivize them to return and give you another chance. So this is a great way to communicate with your customers and let them know that you're listening to them. You've heard that they didn't have a positive experience and you want to right that ship and hopefully get another opportunity to make them an actual customer of your business. So you just type in your message, go ahead and click the Send button, and the email gets sent out to your customer. A nice little added feature here is that we've got an activity log, so you'll be able to hover over the replied icon, and you'll be able to see the message that you've sent them. In addition, you can insert a coupon into that email. If you've set up any coupons, you'll be able to choose from one from this list and send them a coupon within the email, and then they'll be able to click on that and it'll load the coupon for them. And that's the basics for sending feedback requests.